Here is how to delete your Instagram watch history. So in order to do that, you need to go ahead and open your Instagram application, log into your specific account. Then after, tap on the profile picture icon to go to your profile section. Then after, click on the three lines in the top right corner to open your settings and activity. From here, you need to go to your activities section, which is between the archive and notifications. Now scroll down and there you'll get the section of how you use Instagram. Then select watch history, which is between time management and account history. Then after, you can click on the select icon from the top right corner. Now select the video that you want to delete. You can also filter the history from newest to oldest or oldest to newest. You can also choose the dates and you can also choose the specific author. Otherwise, you can manually go ahead and select the videos that you want to delete from your watch history and then select remove from the bottom, which is highlighted in red color. And then select remove again to confirm and you'll be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.